Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to share with you how to plant moringa, kelok, marunggay, malunggay, drum. There are two main ways to propagate. Number 1, from the seeds. Number 2, from the stem. If you allow the stem to grow old and tall, moringa plant will have flowers, and then the flowers will turn into fruits. The fruits will dry out and have seeds like this. Just plant the seeds just like any other seeds. Traditionally, we just throw it on the ground that no one will step on, and it will grow simply like this. But to increase the rate of successful seedlings, get a proper soil and bury the seeds with a thin layer of soil. Once they are matured enough like this, transfer them and wait for them to grow like this. Another method is from the stem, which is called the cloning method. It will be exactly as the mother plant. This is clone, also clone. Just cut a few inches of the stem like this and wait for it to grow. If you want to plant it directly on the ground, just cut the huge stem like this, dig a hole like this, and just bury it. Water it so that the stem won't dry up. If there isn't much rain in your area, just try not to let it be too dry and not too wet also, or else the stem will rot. Try any of these methods and hopefully you will get moringa plants like this. So that is all I can share with you today. You can plant moringa from the seeds and the stems. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Have a great time gardening. Be awesome, people. Bye.